So a few months ago, I bought a bolt-on chopper kit from Chopper Supply LLC for my 2008 Honda Shadow Aero 750. Now, estimated delivery was 6 to 8 weeks, and I ordered it mid-November, so I'm thinking, okay, cool. Should be here, I don't know, mid-January, early February, which is perfect, because it should be right before riding season, and I can go ahead and get it installed, right before the shops get busy. Well, guess what didn't happen? So, due to unforeseen weather phenomenons, also known as an unseasonably cold winter in certain parts of the United States. And this part of the United States happened to be where their chrome shop is, and I don't know jack squat about chrome plating or any of that, but apparently it's very the temperatures and everything's got to be really super specific for that. So instead of 6 to 8 weeks, this took 16 weeks. Yeah. So ordering in mid-November put this thing here mid to late March, which riding season here in North Carolina starts right about March. And because riding season has started, a lot of the shops are getting busy because people are getting their bikes worked on. So my plan to sneak in there right before they got busy didn't work out. So the problem now is finding a shop to work on this thing. Which I get. They want to get people in and out. That's how they make their money. They don't want to get hung up on a project that's going to take them an unknown amount of time. But the funny thing is, I didn't want to get held up on a project that's going to take me an unknown amount of time because I am not a mechanic. So I figure I have two options at this point. I could either wait until fall or do it myself. So I've been doing research about the past 2 weeks to see what I can do about doing this myself. Which, grand scheme of things, it's not like it's hugely involved. Maybe when I was talking to these shops, maybe I wasn't like expressing truly what this thing was. What we're talking about is we're talking about 8-inch over fork tubes, new upper-lower triples, and everything bolts on. It's not like you have to go in and cut the frame and disassemble the whole bike. I don't even think I have to take the gas tank off. And after doing about 2 weeks worth of research, and by research I mean watching YouTube videos, I think I can do it. I'm feeling pretty good. All the bits and pieces I have, I got the kit. I went ahead and ordered all new seals for the forks because it didn't come with those. If I'm tearing it down that far, I may as well replace everything. I got the fork oil. I also got an extra little tool to help me knock the races out of the steering neck because those got to go. Those are not being reused. And a new torque wrench because mine wasn't quite enough. I needed something that can do 150 foot-pounds. And the one I have was not cool enough for that. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into little chunks. I'm going to take little tiny bites. So, like for instance, I think first step, which I might do when I get home today, is I'm going to go ahead and start disassembly. I got to take the headlight off, front turn signals, pull all that wiring back, and at least get it ready. And then I want to do the forks one day, and then I want to do the triples another day. So I kind of just splitting it up just makes it seem like not as big of a job. And I think that's really going to help because I don't want this to turn into like some big 2-week freaking thing. Because that's honestly just going to drive me nuts. And if I strip any bolts or anything, then we're going to be riding the mean streak for a while. Because a lot of times when I work on stuff, it doesn't really go as planned. Things kind of snowball. And then if it starts taking too long, then I kind of get annoyed, and then I just want it done, and then everything kind of gets, you know, half done and isn't done properly. Worst case, if I got to take the fork somewhere, if I screw it up, then whatever. But I'm pretty sure I can do most of it. Like everything else, the biggest obstacle is just believing in yourself, because I'm not stupid. I'm kind of dumb, but I'm not stupid. Because, you know, I've never really delved into that kind of stuff before, but then I keep reminding myself. Before you put the air intake on, you didn't mess with the carburetor either. And before you put the fork extensions on, and you had to add a new brake line, you had never bled brakes before. And I figured that out. Like I'm saying, I can do it. I believe in me, y'all. I believe in me. So next time you see this bike, hopefully it will not only be bobbed out, will be choppered out. Nice freaking raked front end. Should be an extra 14 degrees. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Mainly because I bought this thing like 5 months ago at this point, and I've been thinking about it every single day since then. And it's going to get done, and I'm happy about it. So if you need a point of reference and want to see what this looks like right now, check out the bobber walk around right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.